Hello, everyone. Welcome to Wealthy Ways. Ever wondered if there's a hidden vault of financial wisdom within you? Today, we're cracking open 5 signs that hint at a concealed financial IQ. Unlocking it could open a floodgate of earnings and opportunities. So, are you ready to delve into these revealing signs and boost your financial game? Let's dive right in. First, setting clear financial goals is crucial as they act as a roadmap for your financial decisions. Without them, you might make impulsive decisions that hinder your financial growth. Establishing goals unveils your financial IQ and sets you on a path towards wealth accumulation. Second, a lack of continuous financial education keeps your financial IQ hidden. Engaging in continuous learning and staying updated with the financial landscape can unlock your financial IQ, leading to enlightened decisions that grow your wealth sustainably and open up diversified opportunities. The third sign is the fear of investing. Investments are the seeds of financial growth. However, fear of losing money or lack of understanding can hold you back from taking the plunge. The inability to differentiate between risky and wise investments keeps your financial IQ in the shadows. Overcome your fears, educate yourself, and step into the world of investing to unveil your hidden financial IQ. Then, the paycheck to paycheck cycle masks your financial intelligence, limiting your ability to save or invest. Learning budgeting basics can break this cycle, stretching your earnings further and unveiling your financial IQ as you march towards financial stability. Finally, excessive reliance on debt indicates a suppressed financial IQ. Mastering debt management principles can lead to better decision-making, unveil your financial intelligence, and open doors to more earnings and opportunities, promoting a balanced financial growth. Unveiling your financial IQ begins with recognizing these signs. Addressing them fosters a thriving financial future. By setting clear goals, overcoming investment fears, breaking the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle, managing debt wisely, and pursuing continuous financial education, you unlock a prosperous path. So take charge, unveil your financial IQ, and enrich your financial journey.